Imagine turning a blurry, low-quality photo into a high-resolution masterpiece in just one click, or removing unwanted objects from an image effortlessly without a single Photoshop skill. Sounds like magic? Well, it's not. It's the power of AI in photo editing. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered photo editing tools, how they work, which ones are the best, and whether they're truly the future of photography. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to take your photos to the next level with AI. So what exactly is AI photo editing? Simply put, artificial intelligence uses complex algorithms and machine learning to analyze, enhance, and modify images automatically. These tools can adjust colors, retouch skin, remove backgrounds, and even create entirely new elements, all in a matter of seconds. Unlike traditional photo editing, where you need to manually tweak every setting, AI does the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're a professional photographer, a social media creator, or just someone who loves taking great pictures, AI editing tools make the process easier and faster. First up, we have the king of editing, Adobe Photoshop. With its new generative fill and neural filters, Photoshop now allows you to expand images, remove objects, or even create entirely new elements using AI. If Photoshop feels too complicated, don't worry. Canva's Magic Edit feature is perfect for beginners. With a simple brush tool, you can replace objects, change colors, and enhance photos instantly. Plus, Canva is free for basic edits. Next on our list is Luminar Neo, an AI-powered editing software designed for photographers. It offers features like AI sky replacement, portrait enhancement, and one-click filters to give your images a professional look without the hassle of manual editing. Looking for quick, automatic enhancements? Photo AI Editor is an online tool that improves brightness, contrast, and details with just one click. Perfect for anyone who wants instant results. Need to remove backgrounds or unwanted objects? These two tools are lifesavers. Remove.bg instantly cuts out backgrounds, making it perfect for product images or profile pictures. Meanwhile, Cleanup.pictures helps erase unwanted elements like power lines, people, or blemishes effortlessly. If you love taking selfies, FaceApp and Rimini are must-haves. FaceApp uses AI to enhance facial features, add makeup, or even change expressions. On the other hand, Rimini can restore old or low-resolution photos, making them crisp and clear. AI photo editing is undeniably powerful, but is it all good? Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: super fast and efficient, no design or editing skills needed. Enhances photo quality with ease, saves time for professionals and creators. Cons: lack of creative control. AI-generated results can sometimes be unnatural. Ethical concerns over AI manipulation. Some tools require paid subscriptions. While AI makes photo editing easier, it's always good to have a balance between automation and manual creativity. And there you have it. AI-powered photo editing tools are changing the game. Whether you're a casual user or a pro, these tools can help you create stunning images with minimal effort. Now, I want to hear from you. Which AI editing tool do you personally use? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to your Brainy Bites for more awesome tech content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.